Yo, guys, listen. Shout out to this guy. He's actually a pretty cool dude. I've been watching his streams.
Doing this for like
I just started.
5 minutes.
I started watching him a day ago, and yeah, I want you guys to go sub to him, please. I mean, that would mean a lot to me. So today we're gonna be playing some. Dun, dun, dun. Oh, I didn't switch tabs. Okay, here we go. Hold on. Sorry, guys. So, my sister was playing something, and make sure you guys like, subscribe, and turn on the post notifications. I'm not as good at building on this game, more or less shooting.
Oh yeah, hey guys, number.
Come on. Oh, only 6. Wait. Mine's wrong.
1v1 You guys dare me to watch some 90s on this kid. I'm either.
Wait, I don't know which. Is it West? I think yeah, I'm playing West.
Hey,
guys,
make a party.
I'm an idiot.
Let's make a party and just
I'm gonna play some 1v1s.
You wanna make a party and just clap each other?
Of course.
Huh?
Of course, there's always the sweaty
My
kids.
friend's playing on keyboard and mouse too. My friend Keelan. Shout out to Keelan.
I'm just kind of mooning. Oh, he's good. Oh, I'm stuck in his build.
Break it. Fortnite
Oh,
drop.
of course he hit me.
You know my friend plays this? Keelan. Hey, I'll just make a party when he dies. You know what I mean?
When I die, the kid. Hey, I'm sorry, I'm a noob. Back off.
If you're phantom, like
Oh, he's trying to box me in.
already know.
Wait, I'm gonna start spraying.
Yeah.
Oh, wait, where'd he go?
Just have to sound like Can I just make a party, bro?
Bro, this is mean.
What do you do? I'm gonna get into a quick 1v1. Nah, I'll just wait for you.
Guys, I'm trash.
I'm gonna create a party, okay?
People are too cocky sometimes. What?
Okay, are you gonna join?
Hold on.
Just clap him. You guys been doing that for a minute, right?
Shush! I'm terrible.
Oh, bro, he just cracked.
Okay, edit it. I dare you. Pick your head out.
Sorry, guys. Make sure you guys like, subscribe, and turn on the post notifications.
Oh my god, boy.
He's one shot, bro.
No, he's not. He's still full of HP. Guys, don't judge me.
My guy. Oh, he's on the road. Make sure you guys like, subscribe, and turn on the post notifications.
Oh, got that. Hit that. Nice.
Did you?
Okay, I hit the snipe.
Oh,
Got him.
he's almost dead. Hit him with a shotgun.
No, I'm stuck. Bro, no, I can't die like this. Come on, give me
You're
a...
not gonna die. You have 30 seconds.
Oh, it's whoever has lowest health.
Where's lowest? I think he does. Oh, okay, join my party.
First game on, guys. What is the name?
R-U-D.
R-U-D.
U-W-A.
U-W-A. That all?
Yeah. Ruda.
Rudawa. It keeps changing my thing to Russia.
Russia.
Play on any West. Okay. No, I'm just gonna play some random 1v1s, mate.
No, come on.
Hold on. What is going on?
Hey.
Party. Here, tell me it again.
Are you? Yeah, there. There.
There we go. Ready.
Ready up. You guys want to see my brother get clapped?
Okay. I'm so bad, guys. Don't judge me in the comments.
Bam.
This is just a game. Okay, yoinks. Where's this kid at? Oh, of course.
Bam. You just.
Ready. You're about to fall up there.
How are you freaking flying?
You're flying.
Wait, I was at 15
Hold
health.
on. Hold on, guys.
All I do is stream snipe.
Okay.
Hey, you got those quickies down.
Don't judge me on my builds, guys. Who's he at? I know he's sniping. I mean, that's obvious. Oh, of course.
Hey!
Hey, what a lazy you kid.
Hey. Oh, I still hit you though.
He got me. He cracked me. I'm not even gonna lie, but Legion helped. Wait.
Because I hit you in the head.
Stop sweating.
Oh, I'm sweating?
Shush. You're around me somewhere. I heard that. Oh, there he is.
You snipe.
Okay, at least I know where he's at. Here, let me build. Yo, guys, this is gonna be into this vid.
That's gonna be into this video. Make sure you guys
Like, subscribe, and turn on the post
subscribe
notifications.
and turn the post